I've never been a religious man, but I find remarkable what people can achieve with faith. Whether faith in a higher power, the power of money, or a better future, belief can move mountains or build on top of them. For some, faith might mean seeking the divine, seeking purpose in scriptures and beliefs, or simply seeking a like-minded community. For others, faith takes a different form, a trust in money, where fortunes can be made through shortcuts or hard work. And then, there are those who put faith in the promise of a better future, a future where the world is driven by dreams of equality and acceptance, not just financial gains. I may not be a religious man, but I admire the power of faith. It's a force that shapes destinies, builds marvels. In the end, it reminds me that no matter what we believe in, we are all bound by our own capacity to dream, to hope, and to inspire.